Good morning! We are at Village Nature. That's like big center parks just next to Disney, but actually on Disney property. Was designed by Joe Rohde. Well, he has something to do with it. So yeah, I mean, it's our very first time here. We are gonna explore. We're gonna take you guys with us. So just before we go, know that this whole park is actually divided in 5 big zones. You have a farm, you have a big playground, you have the promenade with all the restaurants, the bowling, you have the aqua lagoon, and then you have these extraordinary gardens with the elements incorporated in it. We are going to try to do as much as possible, so let's go. Welcome to Village Nature and welcome to our little cottage for the weekend. This is the living room. Already started work a little bit. Little table. The kitchen, which comes with a dishwasher. Here you go. A little microwave oven. And then yeah, all the appliances that you actually need, and then things are in there. You have some kettle, everything. With a cool view of the promenade. And then the view from our balcony. This is the coolest thing. Balcony, and then you have the promenade and the aqua lagoon. Which definitely looks awesome. So let's continue the tour with the bathroom, which has a bathtub, sink, you have towels, basically everything you need. And then just next to that is the separate toilet. And then to the left is the bedroom with the double bed, which does look nice. I love the little details here in the room, just like on the lights, or even on the light up there. Cool thing is, when you wake up in the morning, this is your view. Couldn't argue, this is a good view. So this was a little tour of Village Nature Paris. Now, in my opinion, this place isn't really made as a stop for the Disney parks. This is actually a whole resort on its own. And there are not so many resorts around Disneyland Paris. You have a lot of hotels, but this place can entertain you for a week. So if you're gonna come for just a weekend, you might not have enough time to see it all here on property or to go say hello to Mickey Mouse. So I think you're gonna have to make a choice. If you're staying for a longer stay, I think it will be great to visit the Aqua Lagoon, go swimming, go do some fun stuff here, and then hop over to the parks. But on a short stay, it might be a little close. Now, my personal opinion, prices tend to be a bit high because you have a lot of things to do here. So if you're only looking for a stay to visit Disneyland Paris, then the price could be pretty high if you have to stay for 3 or 4 nights. That's what they're advertising on their own website. I have heard that on Expedia, you could book 1 night for as low as €100, so not that bad. This place is huge. Even the whole country cabana, what are they calling it, thing is really big. It's like you're living at your own little apartment. That comes with a little downside. You have to make sure that you clean up, that the dishes are done. There's no daily room service or daily cleanup. You have to empty your own trash. and you have to make sure that all the bed linens and all the towels are outside when you leave. So if you're really looking for that hotel feel, it might not be the whole same thing, but if you're looking just a cozy place where you can hang around with your children, and at this balcony with this view, I mean, why not? One little detail about this view: if you do want to reserve like a special apartment with a special view, know that it's about 45 euros of preference fee, so they can make the reservation for an accommodation, which isn't cheap. It isn't cheap at all, so it's totally up to you, but I'm sure that the other ones have a great view as well. So we enjoyed it, but I think we prefer more like a hotel where you just come in, go to bed, take a shower, and off to the parks again. Maybe this isn't our thing, but we definitely enjoyed it, and well, you guys can hop over here and take a look how it is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've liked this little video as much as we liked staying here. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hotel reviews, more things around the Disney parks and inside Disneyland Paris. See you guys. Bye bye.